Alright, this video is going to be about solving these things that I know you all love to do because you love math so much. The way you do it is you have basically if you were solving systems of when you're solving systems of equations, you have to look to see are the x's the same, 2 and 3? No, they're not the same. Are the y's the same, 1 and 2 1 and 2, because there's an imaginary 1 in front of this y? Are they the same? No. So what we have to do is multiply to get so that either the y's or the x's are the same. Let's do the y's because that's easier than the x's. So we multiply everything by -2, and so that means that you're going to distribute from here to here, from here to here, and also thirdly from there to there. So the new equation is going to be -2 times 2, which is -4x, and the -2 times 1y is going to be -2y, and it's all going to equal -20. And the original second equation just stays the same. 3x plus 2y equals 15. Alright, so now we have a -2y up here in red and a +2y down here in green. And let's go ahead and add. Now we're going to add them together. So we have -4 plus +3. That comes out to be a -1x. A -2 plus a +2 is 0y. And -20 plus 15 is -5. And 0 times anything is 0. So if it was 0 times 1, 0 times 2, 0 times 3, doesn't matter. That cancels out the 0y. So what we're left with is -1x equals -5. You divide both sides by -1 to get rid of that -1 in front of the x, and x is going to equal 5. Good? Alright, and then the next part of the problem is plugging it back into the other equation. So let's get a new color here. Let's do blue. So let's do the original equation. We have a 2x plus y is the original equation equals 10. And now we know that x, down here, we know that x equals 5. And so we can do 2 times 5, because we're substituting this x in for 5. Or I mean 5 in for x. Because we know that from down here that x equals 5, and we go plus y equals 10. And so 2 times 5 is 10, plus y equals 10, and we just subtract 10 from this side to get y by itself, and whatever you do to the left side you also have to do to the right side, so y comes out to equal 0. Alright, y equals 0, and the final equation is going to be written in coordinate form, and in coordinate form the x always goes first, so we have a 5, 0, because the x is 5 and the y is 0. And that is how you solve systems of equations using multiplication.